So here we are on the full-size Wally build, still printing up new parts. So here's the problem we're having. I'm getting some binding there. Right there. So what I think is happening here is I have a lot of play in there, and that's causing some misalignment. And the other problem I'm having is I have a lot of slack in this track. So when I scaled everything up, I scaled up the tolerances at the same rate, so that gave me this play. So I think that can be fixed by printing larger axles, but this play is another problem, and I'll show you how I think I may have solved that problem. So here's this piece here, the main frame that holds all these wheels on. I printed this piece, but there's a difference here in that this comes off, and then inside I'm going to put a spring, right? And then of course I can't do it one-handed, but when this goes in, that spring will push it out, taking out this tension that's in the tracks. I tried like removing one track tread, but then it made it too tight. So here it is, all assembled. So the idea being that it'll just automatically adjust to the tension as it's needed. That's the plan. So the update here is there's the door. The inside I have just the two channels there. Tank tracks, which I'm going to probably have to redo here. We'll figure it out. I'm printing the frame and new axles. So yeah, Wally, full-size Wally. So just scaling up, you have to scale out the tolerances, but I'll figure it out.